Students, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. And in our last class, what we have seen before that, I welcome you all for this today's session. And so far, we discussed the new chapter, which is called that data handling, right? Okay, shall I ask some questions? What is that? What is mean by data? So data is nothing but for any purpose, okay, for any intention, we are gathering some information, right? So that information has been, just a minute. Yes. So that information has been orderly collected, okay. For any particular intent, we are collecting some information that is called the data, right? And then after, what are the things we have discussed, and some, yes, for what are the uses of data, okay. For example, in the last session I said, if you are going to tour, and the choice of snacks is how they are selecting, and how it will be very helpful for that teachers, okay. So these are the few examples we have seen so far. And today we are going to do all the problems in exercise 9.1. Already you did, means no problem, you just verify it, okay, whether the answers are exactly correct or matching of your answer or not, okay. Yes students, so the exercise actually 9.1. So could you read that first problem? So the first problem is, in a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. Okay, what is the tally marks? So why we have to do in terms of tally marks means we have to analyze the data will be very easily. Okay, we can predict the information will be very easy manner. So only we are doing that tally marks, okay. And I said how to make a tally marks: 1 2 3 4, and then 5 you have to make one cross mark, okay. So just look at this, there are 40 students, okay, totally 40 students. Each one, what's that, they are getting some marks, okay, in the mathematics test, okay. So 8 1 3 7 6 5 5 4 4 2, and 4 9 5 3 7 1 6 5 2 7. So maybe they will conduct the test out of 10, okay. So maybe, so 7 3 8 4 2 8 9 5 8 6. So totally, what is that, there are 40 students is there, okay. So the question number A, find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. That means which is equal to 7 or more than 7, okay. So next question is, how many students obtained mark below 4. So below 4, what is that, who are all getting below 4, okay, total number of students. So these two questions we have to answer. How can we answer? We have to plot the table first, okay. First we have to put the table, and we have to put tally marks, and then only we have to solve these questions, okay. So shall we do? Okay, the tally marks. So the answer, that one, so marks, tally marks, and number of students, okay. So first one marks. So 1 marks, how many students are getting? Number of students 2. So how to put tally mark? 1 2, that is 2 line, 1 2, okay. So the next one, 2 marks. 2 marks means 3 persons they are getting. So 2 marks, 3% means 1 2 3. and the next one 3 marks. So 3 marks 3 persons are getting, so that means 3 straight line, 3 1 2 3, next one that's a vertical line, and 4 that marks 4 is obtained by 7 students. So how to do this one tally mark? So 1 2 3 4 and fifth one you have to put cross mark, and 1 and 2, that is you have to do it in separate manner, that is called 7 and 5. So number 5, that means marks 5 is getting 6 students. So 1 2 3 4 5 and then 1, so that is called 6. And marks 6 marks means, that means 6 marks overall getting 7 number of students. So 7 students means what is that, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then 7. So 7 marks overall getting means, so totally 5. So that means number of students is 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 8 means, so 4, so 4 tally mark you have to put 1 2 3 4 and 9. So 9, that means marks 9, how many persons are got mark 9, that means 9 marks, that is 3% only. So 1 2 3. Okay, so what is that question actually, what they asked, the question, find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. So equal or more than 7. Okay, so equal or more than 7 means what is that, here 1, see here, what is that, equal or more than 7. So the number of students here, yes, equal or more than 7. See here, mark is 7 here, so straightly 5 is there, so mark 8 4 is there, 9 3 is there, so 5 plus 4 plus 3, so that means totally 12 students. Okay, so the answer is 12. So next question, how many students obtained mark below 4? So below 4, so below 4, just 4, that is below 4, not equal to 4. Below 4 means what is that, 3 2 1. So 3 2 1 means 3 is, just look at straightly, 3 plus 3 plus 2, that means 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, so 8 students. Okay, so can you understand what is that? Okay, so the next one, so next question is what is that next one, so that is called question number 2. So following is a choice of suites of 30 students of class 6. So this is a choice of suites. Okay, this is a choice of suites for 30 students of class 6. And what are the choice, laddu, burfi, laddu, jalebi. Okay, and sir they put jalebi sir. Okay, anyway that's called jalebi. Okay, and rasgulla and jalebi and laddu, again it is repeating. Okay, so that you have to read first. There are the choice of sweets of 30 students. Okay, so totally 30 students. So out of the 30 students, and they gave some list. Okay, that snacks list, and out of that we have to pick it one. Okay, okay, what is the question? First we have to analyze the question. Arrange the names of sweets in a table using tally marks. Okay, so that means for laddu how many persons, for rasgulla how many persons, jalebi how many persons, so this kind of. Okay, and which sweet is preferred by the most of the students, so that means mostly what they like. But if I ask to you means you will say I like all those things sir. Yes, okay, anyway, so coming to the question. Okay, so here just make one tabular column. First we have to put tally mark. Why we have to put tally mark means it will be very easy to solve. So that is means sweet. What is that sweet? What are the categories of sweet? Laddu, burfi, jalebi and rasgulla. So if we count all those things, how many percent they totally like laddus? 11. And how many percent they like burfi means 3. And how many percent they like jalebi? 7. And how many percent they like rasgulla? It is 9. So if you put tally marks means 11 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and then one cross mark. That is called 5. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and then one cross mark. So if we consider this manner, this symbol, easily you can analyze which one will come most. So that is that maximum thing. Okay. So 5 plus and then 1, that is called 11. And 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then next 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is called 5 is a cross line and 1 and 2. Okay. So next one is Rasgulla. So Rasgulla is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. So that is called here. If you add all those things, you will get total number of students, that is called 30. So here from this one, you just say which one preferred most. I am asking this question. I am not asking to your point of view. Okay, that means you like, maybe you like, some of them they like rasgulla, some of them they like jalebi. Okay, so regarding this question, who like most, which one they like most, that means laddu is preferred by the most of the students. How much? 11 students. So 11 students they are needed, that they like laddu most. Okay, so understand students. So this is the way we can solve it. Okay, so the next one, question number 3, that is called Catherine threw a dice 40 times and noted the number appearing each time as shown below. That is called 1, 3, 5, 6, 6. As you know, the dice. Okay, so even village and all, they are playing, even nowadays and all, even quarantine time also, most of them they are playing with the dice. Okay, but you are all are not playing with the dice, I think so. You are all playing with your mobile phone, maybe laptop, PUBG, whatever it is. Okay, so anyway, in the old days they are playing, even in the village and all, they are playing by using with the dice. Okay, even okay, 6 6 3 5 4 1 6 2 5 3 4 6 1 5 5 6 1 and 1 2 2 3 5 2 4 5 5 6 5 1 6 2 3 5 2 4 1 5. Okay, so what is the question here? Make a table and enter the data using tally marks. So first we have to put tally marks. That means 1 how many times repeated, 3 how many times came, 5 how many times came, so 6 how many times came. So how sir we have to put, how to arrange means, first you have to know that dice is the maximum minimum. So minimum is 1, maximum is 6. Okay, so in between that 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so the 1 is how much time repeated, you have to count. 2 is how many time repeated, you have to count. And 3 and same thing for others also. Okay, so now that minimum number of times, so which one will come minimum number of times and which one will come the maximum number of times, and find those numbers that appear an equal number of lines. Okay, so equal number of lines, that means sorry, equal number of times, which one will come. Okay, so can we solve? Okay, the question is here that numbers 1. Okay, so 1 is repeated 7 times, 7 times came. So 1 2 3 4 cross 5 and then 2. Next 2, so 2 is how many times, it will come 6 times. So 1 2 3 4 cross and then 1. And 3, 1 2 3, 3 means how many times came, 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we should not put tally marks on that numbers, we have to put tally mark on how many times it came, that only we have to take. We should not take these numbers alone. Okay, so 4 means here 4 times came, so we can put 4, 1 2 3 4. And 5 means we can put what's that, 11. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5 and then 1, so 11. 6 means 1 2 3 4 5 and then 1 2, because it is 7 here. So the minimum number of times, if you look at that minimum number of times, which one will come minimum number of times? 4. So 4 times came. So 4 times, if you look at straightly in the left side, that is number 4. So the number 4 will come minimum number of times. And which one the maximum number of times? The 11, how many times? 11 straightly if you look at means 5, right? So 5 will come at 11 times. Okay, and what's called what is that, which one is repeated, that means same number of times came. So which one is the same number of times came means if you look at that, any which number is same here, how many times in that column, 7 7. So straightly if you look at means 1 and 6. Okay, sorry. So this is the way we can find the students. So I hope you all understand. We will do further problems. That means in the next slide we will do few more problems. So until you have to wait. Okay.